the Lord to guide us and strengthen us all the year round and more years to come for the inflatable island, the biggest floating playground in Asia! Only in Ayungin City. Release the balloon! God bless Inflatable Island! Oh my God! So beautiful!
Ganda oh.
Very beautiful!
Ano mo yung nag-iisang balon doon?
Daming balunan ako.
Thank you, Sir Anthony, for the wonderful.
Congratulations to Beach
Tama.
Boys Incorporated.
Wala. Gusto mo magpakawala ng balon?
And I guess lahat na ready na. Let's hear it.
Snacks are ready, I guess.
One.
There will be snacks to be served. May
One.
please occupy the tables here at front.
Basta na, hanapin mo.
For those who have their